You can scan your hard drive for errors and correct any errors found with Microsoft's Chkdsk. Here are 3 ways to run the Chkdsk tool on your Windows PC. Use the Graphical user interface for the most basic access. Utilize the File Explorer to open this PC. Right-click on the hard drive you would like to scan and click on Properties. Go into the Tools tab and under Error Checking, click the Check button, then Scan Drive. Windows will then start to scan the drive, which could take anywhere from a few minutes to a few hours, depending on the disk size, the number of files, and the errors it encounters. After disk check is complete, it will list any errors, and you can decide if you want to repair them. Click on Show Details to access the event viewer for more information and previous scans. When you're done, click Close to finish the process. Interested in learning how to reset your Dell PC to its factory settings? Click the link shown to watch our video. Use the command prompt with specific parameters. Click on the Start menu, type CMD, and right-click on the command prompt app. Select Run as Administrator and click Yes to allow changes. In the next window, at the prompt, type Chkdsk and hit Enter. This will only check the drive without making any repairs. It's important to note that any disk you want to scan using the command prompt method must be locked by the Chkdsk tool. If another file is open or Chkdsk cannot lock the drive at the moment, you will be asked if you want to check the drive the next time when you restart the system. To do a scan and make repairs, type Chkdsk, then a space, followed by the letter of the drive, another space, / the parameter F, and then hit Enter. But if you want to scan the drive, locate bad sectors, and recover readable information, you should type Chkdsk, space, the letter of the drive, space, / parameter R, and then hit Enter. To see all the command prompt parameter options used in conjunction with the Chkdsk utility, click the link shown to access Microsoft's reference with descriptions. You can also run Chkdsk from within the Windows recovery environment in 3 different ways. When your PC fails to boot into Windows after 3 consecutive attempts, by starting the system using a Windows recovery media, and by using Windows settings. The route through Windows settings is to click on the Start menu and go into Settings. With System selected, scroll down and select Recovery. Under Recovery Options, within Advanced Startup, click on Restart Now. Be sure any work you want is saved, and when you're ready, click on Restart Now again. After the system restarts, the recovery environment Choose an Option screen will appear. All 3 methods can bring you to the same Choose an Option screen within the recovery environment. Now from this point, select Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options, and then Command Prompt. Here is where you can enter the same commands with the same parameters as demonstrated earlier. You can learn how to run the Dell Support Assist ePSA onboard diagnostics by watching our tech support tutorial on this channel. Click the link shown to see how easy it is. And remember, anytime you need any help or have any questions, you can always contact us through social media at Dell Cares on Twitter, and we'll be happy to assist you. We have many more support videos available on this channel, so subscribe today. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And thanks for watching this Dell Tech Support video production.